With the MyCoast Dashboard, you have the ability to launch banner searches directly from the banner search card. Before you use a banner search card, make sure you're at a Coast College's site or are connected through Global Protect VPN. Simply locate the banner search card and type in the form name in the bar. In this example, we'll look for the third-party access form. You will then be redirected to the third-party access form. We will also demonstrate how to access the person search detail form. Another example of forms we can search in the card is the email address form. If you don't know the form name, you can type in any relevant keyword related to your form to locate it. In this example, we will use the keyword information. You will be able to locate your desired form from the drop-down menu that appears.